Believe it or not, I have never tried any Rare Beauty product, like ever. I have never tried any Rare Beauty product. I don't know why their blush is so popular, and honestly I've been wanting to. It's just I feel this very weird, and like I said in my Makeup by Mario video, I feel this very weird like thing with Sephora. It's very prestige and like luxurious to me, and it makes me feel like it's too expensive and like, you know, I can't afford it, even though I can afford to buy some things here and there. So I decided to get some stuff that I've been wanting. I got the Liquid Touch brightening concealer in the shade 160C. And then I got the Positive Light Silky Touch highlighter in the shade Mesmerize. And I got this tiny sample of the blush Hope. I'm so excited to try the blush. It is super tiny. Like, you're gonna laugh. It's so tiny. Oh my goodness. It's like the tiniest thing ever. I love it. It's so cute. Okay, but we're gonna test out this shade, the shade Hope, and I've heard it's very pigmented, so I'm just gonna add 2 dots and I'm gonna blend it out. Let's see, what do I think? Ooh, that's very pretty. Los vecinos tienen música. Si se escucha, I'm sorry. The neighbors have music going on. If you can hear it, more than likely you will, because I don't have a mic. I'm sorry. I really like the color. I'm gonna try it over here. And I'm gonna leave it like towards the top. I'm gonna try to not bring it down so much. Just kind of like right here. A ver. Okay, I kind of like applying blush on myself this way instead of bringing it like down all the way over here. But I really like this shade. Now we're going to use the Liquid Touch corrector. This is what it looks like. I got a pinkier toned one because I wanted this one to mix in with my concealers. And I like that like pinkier under eye type of look. So this one's like a little bit pinky, supposedly pinky undertoned or cool toned. At least that's what I tried to order. So this is what the applicator looks like. I really like that. It's like a triangle. Let's see. It is very light. Oh, it feels pigmented. A lot more pigmented than what I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like the e.l.f. brightening pens. So I kind of like that. So I'm gonna try it on this eye without like putting it first under the concealer, and then on this eye I'll test it out mixed in with the concealer. I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit. Where's my sponge? I have an urge to do this first. Ooh, okay. Now with the sponge, I'm gonna go in there and just blend it out. Actually, that looks good on its own. I think I'm just gonna use it on its own. Creo que no me lo voy a poner solo, sin el corrector. It's a nice creamy consistency. Voy a poner poquito más para ver cómo se ve. What do we think? Now let's see this one where I doubled it up. I think it still looks really good. It just looks extra brightening, which I'm kind of digging the really bright under eye. Okay, I'm back to try out the highlighter. I did apply a blush that was very pigmented and it looks so much more pink on camera than it does in real life. But I'm still going to test out this baby. Vamos a probar este. Oh my gosh, the package. Are you ready? I just saw it and okay, I got it in the shade Mesmerized. I don't even want to touch it. Like, can you look at that? So I got this shade because honestly all the other shades were sold out, but I like it because it's kind of like a blush topper. I don't love a highlight moment. Like, I just think I'm gonna love it. I guess let's do a little swatchy swatch first. Okay, are we ready? It feels weird. I don't know how to explain it. It feels like dry. I don't know. Okay, let's see. That's what it looks like. Wow. Okay. That is very beautiful. Okay, look, I'm gonna blend it out just to see what it looks like. Oh, I'm gonna use the Lunar Beauty brush to apply this. I love this little like angled tip that it has. Okay, I don't know if that was too much. Oof. Well, it's there. Wow. Okay. You can see it. I'm gonna say that you can see it on the skin. I think I applied too much anyways, but you know, we're testing it out. Look at that. What? Okay, I'm gonna add less to the other side and just see if I could apply it like a little bit more subdued. And then what I would like to do is apply it on the lids. Let's see how that looks.
Look at here.
Esto. I look like a glazed donut, but it's okay. I was testing out how far we could take it, and we could take it very far. That's just, you know, it's a beam, like it says. I love the packaging. It's so cute. It looks beautiful in the packaging. Like, that packaging is gorgeous. It's stunning. I kind of just want to go like that. But I do like it. I do like it. Of course, in a more natural way, at least for me, because my skin is a lot more textured. But I like it. Me gustó. What do you guys think? Would you get it? This is the only shade that was in stock. Okay, guys, let's do a review of everything we tested out today. So first up, let's start off with the, what did I use first? Here's my tiny bitty bitty blush. For the blush, I really liked it. I want to buy one now in a different shade though. Because I feel like Hope, well, I don't know, I feel like Hope would be a very good everyday blush, but quiero un poquito más oscuro. I've been really wanting a purple blush. I don't know if she has a purple blush, but I've been really wanting a purple blush. I liked it. I'm gonna keep using my tiny baby because it's super cute. I am gonna rate it a 4. A 4 is a good, I think it's a 4. It's a 4, it's a 4. Next we have the under eye brightener. So for this one, I really liked it. I was very surprised that I was, you know, able to just use it on its own. I had bought it to mix it with my concealer, but I liked how much coverage it did offer. I was very surprised. I like the doe foot applicator. It's like a little triangle and it brings out enough product that you would need. So I really like that. I like, you know, just the way it applied. I like the way it blended out. I like the way it set. I really liked it. So I think this for me is a 4.5. 4.5 out of 5. I'm gonna keep using it because I really liked it, and this product I think is the one that's gonna make me want to try more. Next up, the highlighter. I give it a 5 out of 5. I love the packaging. Look at the packaging. Look at the way it looks in the pan. It swatches beautifully. It applies beautifully. You could tone it down. You can tone it up. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. I just love it. It makes my skin look super nice. I thought at first that it was going to be too much glow for my texture. But like, I'm obsessed. I love it. Is that it? Did I just have 3 products? Well, if you have any recommendations of any other Rare Beauty products I should try. I wanted to try the new lip oils and a bunch of other products, but my store was sold out. They did not have anything, so we did not try anything else. I had to order these online, and that's how I got them. But if there's anything else you want me to test out, anything else you want me to try out, let me know. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my YouTube girl era. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.